Belly fat is simply fat around your midsection. It is not necessarily different in any kind of unique way from other types of fat. Most people gain belly fat as their overall body fat percentage increase. There are some genetic differences in terms of where people gain fat. However, drinking a lot of alcohol and eating a diet high in carbohydrates may lead to more belly fat than other things you take in. The big concern with belly fat is its link to serious health conditions. People with higher amounts of belly fat are at higher risk of heart disease and high blood pressure compared to those with less fat in that area. There are many exercises out there, but not all are created equal when it comes to banishing belly fat. But doctors agree that adding physical activity to your daily routine is a great way to burn off unwanted belly fat. We are sharing some exercise for belly fat that you can try to help you slim down your waistline. 1. Plank. A plank exercise is the best exercise to strengthen your core and abdomen. These exercises strengthen your hips, lower back and abdomen and improve your body balance. It is used in yoga by professional boxers and sports like hockey, cricket and football. There are many ways to do a plank exercise, and one simple way is doing the high plank or front plank. This type is similar to push-ups, but the only difference is that instead of resting your body weight on your palms, you should rest it on your elbows. Lie down flat on the ground. Then place your elbow and legs flat like push-ups. Push your body upward and keep your chin tight to your neck. Hold your position for 10 seconds. Bring your body downwards and continue this 3 times and then take a break. Make sure your back is completely straight when doing this exercise. A plank exercise can be modified into a plank with a leg lift and an arm lift. However, if you are a beginner, it is recommended you do the front plank workout and it will do you good. Number 2. Treadmill running. Running at an incline rather than on a flat surface has been shown to increase total calorie burn by as much as 50%. Whether you are outside on a hill or at the gym on an inclined treadmill, start out walking for 5 to 10 minutes. Your heart rate should elevate pretty quickly as you pick up your pace. Try this treadmill workout. Walk or jog on an incline for 5 to 10 minutes. Maintain a jog for another 5 to 10 minutes, then pick your pace up again and start running. This does not have to be an all-out sprint, but you should be working hard enough that you can't carry a conversation. Spend 5 minutes running, then drop your pace back down to a jog. Continue alternating with 5 to 10 minutes of jogging and 5 to 10 minutes of running for 30 to 45 minutes. You can also do repeated short bursts of 20 seconds with jogging in between. 3. Yoga. Getting your arm on isn't an intense exercise as a hilly run or lifting weights, but it can help build muscle and improve your endurance, which are all crucial for boosting your metabolism. How to do yoga? There are a lot of yoga practice you can try and even move you and cycle through. Some of the more challenging yoga poses include plank chair, chaturanga and whale. You can download an app for online class or try a studio near you. Yoga may also be an effective tool to help you lose weight, especially the more active forms of yoga. And you may find that the awareness gained through a gentle, relaxing yoga practice helps you to lose weight as well. Many experts agree that yoga works in different ways to bring about a healthy weight loss. 4. Squats. While you may be tempted to rely on exercise machines and fad diets to help you lose weight, you should know that the best way to get rid of belly fat and keep it off is through simple everyday exercise like squats. Squats are one of the best full body exercise you can do. Not only does it work your legs, but it also works your core and your back muscles too. This makes squats an excellent all-round exercise that anyone can do in order to lose belly fat and lose weight. In terms of how many squats a day you need to do to start losing belly fat, the answer depends on your individual fitness level and body composition. If you are just starting out, you may want to start off with 2 to 3 sets of 25 to 30 reps thrice per week. If you have more experience with strength training and you are looking to lose weight, aim for doing at least 4 sets of 25 to 30 squats per day. This should help you build muscle while burning fat, and the extra activity will give your metabolism an extra boost as well. Plus, adding squats into your daily routine can help you tone your lower body, improve your balance and increase flexibility. 5. Side plank. Side plank is a core exercise that works major muscle groups in your body to build strength and endurance. It basically works your abs, obliques, shoulders, back, chest, hips, and buttocks. Side plank is more forgiving than a push-up, which requires you to move your body weight up and down. Although plank can be strenuous and requires diligent practice to do it effortlessly. Try doing side planks from now. It is very easy to do. Lay on your right side with your right forearm resting on the floor and your elbow directly under your shoulder. Ensure both your legs are extended with the right foot stacked above the left foot. Contracting your abs, raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from your head to feet. Then place your left hand on the side of your hips and hold the pose for 10 seconds. Slowly extend your right forearm and return to the original position. Keep switching sides and do 10 repetitions on each side. To maintain the position for longer, ensure you are balancing on the side of your foot rather than the sole. Keep this in mind that everything needs consistency for best result, and exercise are also same. At least try this exercise for 1 month and you will definitely see the result by yourself.